What up, YouTube? All my Ryker riders, back again. Am Ryker Shadow Black. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up your Ryker for let's say a low budget vlogging. I found my old 360 camera. I got a bootleg GoPro, purple Panda mic. I'm gonna show you how I set everything up and how I'm gonna start this little vlog for the Shadow Black Ryker. Check it out. Let me show you what I got going on. Got my old Insta 361 camera. What you got is the selfie stick. Extends out and turns invisible. Got the Insta 1 camera. Barely used. Tripod mount. Bullet time. Recorder. I'm probably only going to use the stick. Got some GoPro mounts. I have a whole bunch of that stuff in the house. I got this Picasso V50 I bought a while back. I just put this filter lens on the front. But what's cool about it, this helmet here, this EVS helmet, comes with this is adjustable. You can take these off. Well, the top one has the same mount screw hole as the GoPro, so I was able to set something up where I could just mount my camera. Boom. Ain't going nowhere. Set up the angle where I want it. Got the purple Panda mic. Say it's the best mic for motovlogging. We'll see. Like I said, some GoPro mounts. So what I'm gonna do is set it up on a Ryker. Set everything up. I'm gonna just show you what it looks like to set up a motovlogging for a Ryker. Oh, just with the purple Panda mic, I had to get the Android adapter so I could record straight from my phone. So now let's take over to the Ryker. Set this bad boy up. Alright, so here's the Ryker. Now where do you mount something like this that extends all the way out? So I was looking around, and trust me, the handlebar when I put this up is stuck straight out. I don't know, I mean, it would look cool with some of the views, but to have it straight up like that on the handlebars, and then when I'm turning the bike handlebars, it's going to be moving around. I mean, that's a cool view, but I wanted to get more of myself in, so I was looking around to see where I can mount this thing to. Can't mount it to the control arms or the support arms, because then when you turn the wheels you're going to be messed up. But I decided to take off the trunk, and there's enough room right here where I could mount a GoPro mount like this. It won't interfere with nothing. It's on the frame, and I'm able to see if I could put the trunk back on. So I'll try it out. See what happens. Let's start mounting. See if the trunk goes back on. Trunk's locked in. Successful. Let's see if we can mount this piece on. Now I don't know if this is a lot of bounce when I'm riding, but it's definitely, the hood's definitely not going anywhere. This is not going anywhere. Well, it's on there. I guess it could be a little tighter because it feels like a little vibration is going to make it move, and I don't want it to fall there. So we'll try another one of the mounts and see if that works. Alright, so now got my camera installed. Gonna be sticking out a little bit like a unicorn. Got my helmet camera installed. Got my purple Panda. Just gonna run this right up to inside, connected to my cell phone. Shoot some test video. Put some stuff together, let y'all know. So basically, this is how you set up a Ryker for motovlogging with some 360 footage. Like, subscribe, watch, check my channel, all that stuff. Thanks for watching.